Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be going over how personal brands are utilizing short form content to scale their info products and how you can do the exact same. I'm sure you've seen tons of Instagram reels where they ask you to comment a word and you receive a link. This is the exact strategy I'm talking about and how you can implement the exact same thing. And when I say info product, I'm talking about any course, coaching program, community, Discord, etc. It's anyone that's selling some type of information or knowledge in a product form. Let's say your business is centered around fitness. If you sell any type of coaching, programs, courses, communities, then you are an info product seller. And this can apply to drop shipping, if you're a basketball coach, crypto, literally any form of knowledge that's being sold. And although it's super helpful and makes it way easier, you don't need a large following or audience to do so, as long as you have enough knowledge and that you're an expert in your field. All right, let's get into the video. All right, I wasn't really sure what to call this, so I thought the short form scaling strategy for info products was pretty self-explanatory. But basically, what you need is a piece of short form content, a valuable lead magnet, and automation tools like ManyChat to nurture those leads and so that you can send them a link to get your lead magnet. Now, we're gonna go over all of that in more detail. But all right, so the short form content. So you want first, it all starts with the piece of short form content. This is what's going to generate your traffic and basically get all those people to opt in to your lead magnet. And then so you want short form content with a strong hook, captivating content that addresses their pain points or desires, and a compelling call to action. We'll go over that a little more in depth in a second. But then you want a lead magnet. What is a lead magnet? It's a valuable resource like a document, guide, or training video that conveys knowledge, builds trust and credibility, and establishes you as an authority in your niche. Let's say that you're some fitness coach and then you offer fitness coaching to clients. And then this could just be like, this lead magnet could be a guide about how to properly eat well to lose fat or gain muscle. It could be a basic workout plan. It could be anything that just displays the knowledge that you have and why your information is valuable, aka why you're selling an info product. Then you're gonna use automation tools like ManyChat to automate the delivery of your lead magnet, and optionally your opt-in or landing page and email newsletter. So the first optional item is an opt-in page, landing page. This will just prompt the lead to enter their name and email to receive the lead magnet. So it's like click here to receive. It's just a page that says click here to receive it, and then they get it. And then they're then entered into your database where you can add them to an email newsletter and further nurture them within your funnel. Then optional is an email newsletter. You just have a welcome sequence, some value-driven emails, and direct response emails for your products saying, hey, I sell this product. If you want to lose fat, gain muscle, buy this. All right, so the short form content. I don't want to go, this video isn't about how to make good quality short form content, but very broadly, you just want to grab the viewer's attention with a compelling hook based upon their pain points, desires, or using any entertainment or education. So going back to the fitness example, let's just say if you're struggling to lose fat, this is probably why you're not able to do so, something like that. Then captivating content. So then just like really talk about their pain points, desires, and provide valuable information or entertainment. So basically just saying like, talking about how like, yeah, maybe you're tired of just not knowing what to eat or how to properly train in the gym, or just like really just like honing in on what they want and then just basically giving them the solution, which is your lead magnet. So include a clear and compelling call to action that encourages the viewer to take the next step. Just say, comment the word doc to receive this free workout plan that I created. However you choose to word that is completely up to you. But then the actual lead magnet, so it's a valuable resource, like I said before, just a guide, and it really needs to build trust. So the whole point of the lead magnet is to showcase like how much value you are able to provide as an info product seller. And so like, why should somebody buy a course or a program or a training or coaching from you? And then this should display like that exact reason. It just showcases what you can do, what you're able to accomplish for others, and just how you're able to do so. And then it should solve a problem. Then so again, going to let's use a different example. Let's say that you sell a crypto Discord. Maybe like those individuals, like they have no idea which coins to buy or when to sell, or they're just super lost with how cryptocurrency works as a whole. Then your lead magnet should really identify that problem and then just like help them understand it. And then this could be done in so many ways too. Like let's say you're a basketball coach, right? Maybe you're teaching others how to dunk better, and then you're just going over like why they're unable to jump super high. Maybe it's has something to do with the way they train, or maybe it's the way like their muscles are being utilized. I don't know, but it could be anything like that. And then automation tools. So then I'm gonna show you what ManyChat looks like and how to use it. But basically, ManyChat automates the delivery of your lead magnet to those who respond to your call to action, and it's just like a really powerful platform. And then so when someone comments, you're not gonna have to DM that individual your lead magnet. It'll do it for you. And then you want an opt-in / landing page. I'll show you an example of what that looks like. But the opt-in or landing page just asks the lead to submit their name and email to receive it. And you can potentially upsell them on your product that on your paid version of your product. And so the reason this is so important, instead of just sending them the lead magnet, is because once you get their name and their email, you can forever just continue to try to sell to them or to contact them because you have their email. And then like the more and more familiar they become with you via your email newsletter possibly, then the more likely they are to buy from you. And the email newsletter can consist of a welcome sequence that just basically introduces yourself, what your brand entails, what your business does, what you sell, any client results you've been able to deliver, or anything that just further builds credibility, trust, and establishes you as an authority figure. But let me show you what ManyChat looks like. All right, so this is what ManyChat looks like. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna create an account. I'm using a free one. You can activate the pro one if you want, so that you can send more messages and get more features. But okay, so this is what you're going to do. You're gonna go ahead and click New Automation. You're going to do convert your Instagram comments into sales. You can also utilize Instagram stories, but you can't use this for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So when it comes to TikTok or YouTube Shorts, the goal of that content being posted is to get those people into your Instagram profile. And then so click convert your Instagram comments into sales, set up template. It's really easy. Okay, so use your comments, and then you can click which of the posts or reels that you want. You can do all posts or a specific post. We'll just go ahead for the sake of the video, do all posts. Then you include the keywords that they're gonna comment. And then so let's say you tell them to comment document. So then it can be that, and then you can make it like so that it's multiple things or just one thing, and then you can exclude comments as well. And then so basically, and then this is what if you want like a public reply in the feed. So like let's say someone comments something, and then if you want to reply to that comment, you can like type in whatever, be like, hey, thanks for commenting, I sent it over. And then you can do multiple, or you can do less. We'll just do those. Okay, so now this is what this is saying is when somebody comments like one of the keywords that we talked about, number one is we're going to do a public reply in the feed, but then number two is that we're going to reply to them in a DM. So then we can make it whatever we want, like, hi, thanks so much for commenting. Here's the link. And a good way to also like start a conversation with these individuals is possibly just by saying something along the lines of like, what made you interested in this free guide? Or you can just you want to get them to respond to you so that you can start a conversation, and then maybe even like further incentivize them to buy your product. But then right here is where you put the website URL. It can be a YouTube video for the training, or it can be a link to your opt-in page, which I'm going to show you an example in a second. It can quite literally be whatever you want to send to the individual, and then that's it. It's set up, and now anytime somebody comments one of those things, this is going to be sent to them. It's pretty cool and pretty self-explanatory. And this is a very just simple, basic example of what your opt-in page could look like. So let's say for this case, it's just a free guide about how to do cold emails. You just get the lead to type in their name and then whatever their email is, click to access. And then this right here is what I mean by the upsell page. This usually, like if you're trying to upsell something, it'll say something different like, but wait, check out our community that's only $10 per month. And then it'll just have a bunch of other incentives. But yeah, so this is what an opt-in page would look like. Again, it's optional, but increases the probability of a conversion, and it just increases the amount of people that is within your database and the amount of like overall sales. Now you have an understanding of how this strategy works, but let's just like go over fully like why you would want to utilize this if you are selling an info product. So number one is that you get increased traffic. By creating engaging short form content, promoting your lead magnet, you can drive more traffic to both your brand and your business. Aside from that, with increased traffic, you'll get improved sales. By nurturing these leads and moving them throughout your sales funnel, you can increase the sales of your information products. You also get brand awareness. So this strategy helps increase the awareness of your personal brand and establishes you as an authority in your niche, because the more people that see your lead magnet, the more people will start to associate you with being an expert in whatever it is that you are a part of. And then aside from that, it's just automation. Leveraging this tool and email newsletters, you can streamline the process and scale your efforts more efficiently. Here's an overview of everything we went over. We went over short form content creation, lead magnet creation, funnel development, and email newsletter creation. These are all things to increase the amount of traffic, increase credibility, trust, establish you as an authority figure, get those leads into your actual CRM or database, and continue to educate and nurture those leads. These are all efforts that will increase traffic to your brand and business, that will build more trust, build a relationship with the people that you are speaking with, and overall just increase the sales of your info product. Now, this takes a lot of time and effort, so I can understand why some people might not want to do this themselves. But if this strategy is something that they want a part of in their business, but they want someone else to do it, feel free to book a call with my team in the link below. We can go over how we could possibly help you with if you're the right fit, and then we can work something out. And if not, no worries, you'll walk away with some valuable insight at the very least. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you got some value from today's video.